gas nebula actually went to our sun. So of course we are much smaller than the sun, the earth, the planets are much smaller. And guess what? Most of the mass went to the sun, but most of the angular momentum went to the planet. So that's why we all rotate on our axes. Well, some of us don't rotate very much or rotate very slowly, but we also, the earth is spinning on its axis, it's going around the sun, blah, blah, blah. That's because we carry a lot of this angular momentum from the gas nebula, but we don't carry most of the mass from the gas nebula. That is the sun that carries that. And of course, the sun is a star. We cannot really compare a planet to its star, right? The sun is its own thing. The sun has a nuclear power plant in its belly, and it's constantly doing nuclear power, turning hydrogen into helium. So it's doing nuclear reactions. That's how it stays burning. That's how it stays alive. That's how it gives us everything we know and love: light, heat, energy, right? So the sun is a star. We are a planet. There's no nuclear power plant in our belly. We have a core. It has some iron. We have other layers on top. Blah blah blah. We have rock. We have lava. All that. But we're not burning any element to make another heavier element like what stars do. So we're definitely not. We're not the same, right? Now Jupiter is a much bigger planet that has interesting things, but even Jupiter is a planet. It doesn't have a nuclear power plant in its belly. Okay, so anyways, but I wanted to give you a little tidbit of our own solar system, so you have some idea what is what. So almost 1 million times as massive as the Earth. At its center, the temperature is almost 15 million degrees. 15 million degrees, right? So compare that. If you look at the star Betelgeuse, it's going to supernova. I meant in our galaxy. Oh yeah. So Betelgeuse. So by the way, Betelgeuse is spelled as Betelgeuse. I do believe. Please do check my spelling, but it's not beetle juice like the fruit juice type of spelling, right? Betelgeuse. So Betelgeuse is a red giant. So we do expect it to supernova.